Imagine this. Tomorrow morning, you wake up, but something feels different. You don't have a body. You don't have a name. You don't even have thoughts the way humans do. You have just one job. Keep one person watching. The app opens. Millions, no, billions of videos rush toward you all at once. It's chaos. You can't watch them. You can't understand them. So what do? You guess. Aha! Your first prediction. I think this person might like football. You send them one football video. Now you wait. 3 seconds. 5. 10. They watch the whole thing. Interesting. That wasn't luck. That was your first clue. So you try again. Another football video. This time it's funny. They laugh. They replay one part. Honestly, that's even better, because every tiny action they take is like they're secretly teaching you. They tap, you learn. They pause, you learn. They replay, you learn even more. They skip. Oops, wrong guess. You quietly erase that idea and make a better one. Days go by, and something strange starts happening. Your guesses become scarily accurate. Not because you're getting smarter like a human, but because every swipe, every second, every tiny hesitation leaves behind another clue. It's almost like solving a giant mystery, except the mystery is a person, their favorite jokes, their hobbies, when they stay up late, what makes them smile, what makes them stop scrolling. Piece by piece, the puzzle starts coming together. Then, at exactly 1:43 in the morning, something unexpected happens. They stop scrolling. A quiet video appears. No loud music, no crazy edits, just someone talking. You expect them to leave. They don't. 30 seconds. 40. A full minute. You remember that. Not because you're emotional, because patterns matter. The next night, without saying a word, you show another similar video. They watch again. Aha, maybe this wasn't random after all. Weeks pass. Now your predictions feel almost magical. The person looks at their phone and thinks, wait, how does my feed know me so well? The funny part? You don't know them at all. You don't know their name. You don't know what they look like. You don't know what they're thinking. You only know what they keep choosing. Then one day, you make a mistake. You recommend a cooking video. They scroll away instantly. Well, lesson learned. Less cooking, more science, more football, more memes, more videos they actually stay for. Because here's the rule you live by. Whatever keeps attention gets another chance. Slowly, almost invisibly, their world becomes smaller. Not because you're trying to trap them. Honestly, you're just repeating what worked yesterday, again and again and again. Now here's the twist. You aren't evil. You don't have opinions. You don't have feelings. You don't wake up every morning thinking, how can I control someone today? You simply make predictions. Millions of them, every single second. And here's the really fascinating part. That's almost exactly how recommendation algorithms work. They aren't reading your mind. They aren't listening to every thought. They're constantly looking for patterns in your behavior. What you watch, what you skip, what you replay, what you pause on, what you share. Every action becomes another tiny clue. So, the next time your feed feels like it knows you, pause for just a second, because maybe it doesn't know you. Maybe you've been teaching it, one scroll at a time. See you in the next thought.